Hi everyone, this is Regina. I am an online digital business owner. I am doing a 90-day challenge, and today my share with you is what is one habit that transformed my business. I self-initiate my learning habit. I love and I'm hungry for knowledge. As a self-employed, I am a self-initiator. I initiate my own research. I initiate what I want to learn. And for me is to watch other people do successful result in their business. So I do watch a lot of people that is doing successfully in online business, and I also learn and pattern my actions of how I'm going to achieve I need to put things in writing. When I put them in writing, they become tangible. They become something that I can see it, I can touch it, then I can relate better. Now, let me ask you this question. What is your habit that is transforming your result into a successful one? Share that with me at the message button. Also, connect with me and save this video for your future use.